Hey everyone, welcome back. So, we are going to be learning about prototyping. This is going to be an amazing lesson here. So, please do your best to follow along and try your best to come up with some new prototypes yourself. What we're going to be doing is we're going to learn the basics of prototyping, how to do that within Figma. I'm going to teach you everything there is to know about prototyping in the most basic sense. And we're going to make our own prototypes based off of the wireframes that are in the resource file in the wireframes resource. So over here, I have a bunch of different pages. I have like a home page, I have a wish list page. I'm going to show you what these connections mean. I'm going to show you how to create things like overlays and exciting full flows. I'm going to show you how to make changes to the prototype settings, and you're going to learn how to look at these prototypes and interact with them, whether it's, moving around or actually like hiding and showing things. So you're going to get a full idea of what it's like to prototype like a design pro. Let's jump right in.